In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Skyscanner currency. Switching the display currency is a quick way to keep prices consistent while you compare routes and dates, and it helps you avoid doing mental math on every result. I'll walk you through the exact menu on the website, explain what each option does, and share a couple of quick tips so your search looks the way you expect. First, open your browser and go to Skyscanner. When the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small globe, sometimes shown as an Earth icon. That's the control for all your regional settings. Click the globe to open the settings panel. At the top, choose your preferred language. This only changes the interface and labels you read, so pick whatever makes the site easiest to use. Next, select the country or region. This setting influences the market you're browsing in, which partners and payment methods you might see, and even which promotions are relevant. If you travel often, choose the country where you usually book or where your primary payment method is based for the most consistent experience. Now choose currency. Open the list and pick the currency you'd like prices to display in across Skyscanner. This affects search results, the calendar view, and fare details. Keep in mind this is a display preference on Skyscanner. The airline or travel agent you book with may charge in their own currency, and your bank or card provider will handle the actual conversion and any fees. Once those three fields look right, language, country or region, and currency, click Save. The page will update and you should immediately see prices switch to your chosen currency. If the change doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to refresh or run a new search. Your preference is stored and will apply across your browsing. A few quick notes while you compare fares. Using a single currency across all your tabs or devices makes side-by-side price checking much clearer. Skyscanner typically remembers your selection on the same device, so you won't need to redo it each time. Exchange rates shown are indicative. The final rate depends on the airline, agency, and your payment provider. And that's it. You've set your language, country or region, and currency and saved the changes so prices display exactly how you want. Enjoy browsing with clean, consistent pricing and happy travels.